Valentine's Day is a special time for couples, a chance to create a cozy, romantic atmosphere at home and make the evening truly magical. To make this day unforgettable, it's not just about gifts, but also about setting the perfect mood with thoughtful decor. Start with the living room. Soft lighting, glowing candles, and fresh flowers will instantly add warmth and romance. Accent pillows and delicate pastel or deep red tones will enhance the space, while fairy lights or lanterns can create a dreamy ambiance. A cozy nook with plush blankets and dimmed lights can be the perfect place to relax together. In the kitchen, set the scene for a romantic dinner. Use elegant table settings, linen napkins, and delicate candle holders to bring a touch of sophistication. Small handwritten love notes placed on plates or tucked into a cup can add a sweet personal touch. The bedroom is the heart of a romantic evening. Create an intimate glow with candlelight or soft string lights. Add the scent of roses or vanilla with essential oils and use fresh, luxurious bedding for extra comfort. Scattering rose petals on the bed or adding soft fabric elements will make the space even more inviting. Consider setting up a memory corner with framed photos or little keepsakes that remind you of your most cherished moments together. For an extra special touch, surprise your partner with an indoor picnic, plush blankets, light snacks, a glass of wine, and your favorite music playing softly in the background. Decorating is all about setting the mood and expressing your love through the details. The most important thing is to create an atmosphere filled with warmth, affection, and shared memories. In this video, I'll share simple yet beautiful ideas to help you turn your home into a romantic haven. Stay tuned until the end for all the inspiration you need.